Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It's 7:07 a.m. I just fed Buddy and gonna hit the road and see what we get making deliveries this morning. It is raining. It's like a light drizzle right now, but I do have my umbrella just in case I need it. So I'm gonna get UberEats and Spark turned on and see what we get, and then plan on making deliveries till about 9:30, and then I'm gonna head to the gym, work out and shower, and then I want to go to the food bank that's open on Saturdays, but they don't open until noon, but cars start showing up around 10 o'clock, even probably before that. So if I don't get there early, then I'll just be waiting. Like, basically, if you wait too long and there's a lot of cars ahead of you, once it's your turn to finally go into the building, because they only allow so many at a time to go around the tables and pick what you want, you just basically get what everybody else didn't want, like all the scraps or the leftovers. So all the good stuff would get taken first. So I just don't want to. I remember the first time I went there, I went with my mom and we waited for like 2.5 hours, and we just got in line, turned off the car, and just watched YouTube. My mom was chatting with her friend, but it just seemed like the longest 2.5 hours just sitting there waiting. So I don't know. I don't think I want to get there that early. Maybe I'll get there like 11, maybe 1 hour early. So we'll see. All right, guys, hope you have a great Saturday. Let me know what you're getting into in the comments below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, because I checked the analytics. There's a lot of you that watch my channel but are not subscribed. So that would really, really help me even if you just like. But yes, please subscribe if you're always watching. I'd appreciate it. All right, guys. See you here in a little bit. Bye. Guys, just accepted my first order of the morning with Uber Eats here at Giant Eagle. It's a shop and pay, just getting 6 items, and they're all household goods except for one salad mix. All right, let's go shop this oil real quick. It started to rain a little bit harder, but it's not too bad. This way. Alright, you guys, this is it. So we got the hefty extra strong Fabuloso scent trash bags, the Lysol, and this is the early morning breeze scent, and then 2 of these Febreze plugins, the Gain scent, Bounty paper towels, and then this Hearts of Romaine lettuce. Alright, so let me go check out and go get this delivered.
Welcome. Please scan your Advantage card to begin your transaction.
It's delivering to this apartment. It's a pin's required, so I may not be able to record the drop off. I gotta use the pin pad. Picking up second order from Starbucks with Uber Eats. It's not a fun day to be delivering in with this rain. All right, you guys, let's go get this Starbucks order dropped off. Picking up third order from Pliables with Uber Eats. So let's go get this order. Thank you. Alright, you guys, gonna drop off the payables order. Guys, picking up 4th order from McDonald's with Uber Eats. Let's go get this order. This will be my last one before I go to the gym. Ooh. Hi. Guys, 5th order is with Uber Eats. I'm doing a shop and pay at Wegmans. Just shopping for 10 items. So let's go get this. I took a break after the food pantry and made some lunch for my mom and I. And now it's 3:30. So I'm probably only gonna be out for like an hour, and then I wanna go home so that I can see the boys and see Caeden before he goes off to prom. So I might go back out later tonight, probably after 6. We will see. You guys, this is everything. They wanted 5 bunches of bananas, a bag of navel oranges, this True Fruit Nature's Bananas, peanut butter and dark chocolate flavor, Bic lighter, Sensodyne toothpaste, and then a bag of 8 kiwis. That's it. So let's go check out and get this delivered. They must really love bananas. I like bananas too, but I could never eat this many bananas in 1 week unless I freeze them for smoothies and such. Super packed in here today. I much prefer to do shop and pays in the evenings when it's more quiet. I can zoom in and out of the aisles. Alright, you guys, I just dropped off that Wegmans shop and pay order, and the girl met me outside. I mean, I say girl, but she's probably in her late 20s, early 30s. Super tiny, very tiny little girl or woman. And I was like, that's a lot of bananas you got. She's like, yeah. She's like, I eat a lot of fruit because she's like, I don't know how to cook, so I eat a lot of fruit. I'm like, I wouldn't be able to eat that many bananas in 1 week. She's like, I'm like, I would have to end up freezing some of them. She's like, oh, you can freeze them? I was like, yeah. I was like, you can freeze the bananas and then use them in smoothies. She's like, oh, I have to get a blender. Oh, that was funny. I just thought it was funny that I said, yeah, you can freeze them, when she got that little frozen like slices of bananas with the dark chocolate. Anyways, all right, so right now it's 4:06. When the Wegmans is right by the boys' work, and I saw that the cars were still there, so they may have already left. They probably got off right at 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna text them and see if they're home, and if they're home, I'll just head there now. And if they're not home yet, then I'll try and do one more order. All right, guys, I'll check back in a little bit. Well, either in a little bit or later tonight. All right, you guys, I just accepted my 6th order with Spark. I just went to the numbered parking spot and picked up 2 orders. One order just has like 2 items, and the other order had like 41 items. So I'm dropping off the larger order first and then the smaller order. All right, it's a beautiful evening. It was 75 degrees earlier today. Right now it's saying 67. It's beautiful. And to think it was like pouring down rain earlier, like when I came home after the food bank, when I was making lunch for my mom and I, it was pouring down rain. And now the skies are clear, it's sunny, slight breeze. So nice. Hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday. All right, I'll check back in a bit. All right, you guys. I had gone to the front door, but then they had a note saying to go to the side door. Already dropped off some of the packages. All right, you guys, let's go get this order dropped off. The second Spark order. You guys, 6th order is a Walmart, or I should say Spark shop and pay. And I'm only shopping for 23 items, so let's go get this order shopped for. Nothing good's been coming in through Uber Eats. Been declining a ton on Uber Eats, so I have that turned off for now. All right, you guys, this is everything. Belly meat. This is a 1 pound ground of frozen ground beef, budding honey ham, Hillshire smoked ham, 2 of these tumblers, 10 oranges, face and body drops, romaine hearts, Sargento medium cheddar cheese, these Sunbelt Bakery oats and honey bars, sugar cones, Delight cold foam creamer, Late July sea salt and lime chips, Haagen-Dazs butter pecan, and this is a Haagen-Dazs strawberry yogurt, Great Value brand mint chip ice cream, value pack of Gushers, 2 of these corn muffin mix, Great Value hamburger dill chips, and then the Market Side medium cantina style salsa, and the Great Value vegetable oil, and then some lawn care bags. All right, you guys, let's go check out and get this delivered. guys, dropping off the other Spark order. You guys picking up 7th order from Crumble Cookies, and then I accepted a stacked on an add-on order at Chipotle. All right, you guys picking up that Chipotle order, the add-on. It is windy. Alright, you guys, let's go get this Chipotle order dropped off. At least they have lights going up the steps. Let's deliver to the top. Alright guys, I am dropping off the crumble cookie order, and this will be it for tonight because it's just about 9 o'clock and I still have to run to Walmart really quick and get more cat food for Buddy, and then I gotta go home.